Section 26. The last letter in classroom 1 we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is Z. Z for zebra. I want you to find the letter Z on page 26 in your book. Page 26 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound Z. Say the sound and words after me. Z. Z. Z for zero. Z for zip. Let's read it again. Z for zero. Z for zip. We are now going to practice writing the sound Z. Put your finger on the first letter Z. I'm going to show you how to write the sound. We go along, slanting line, straight line to the right, and back along again. Please trace it with your finger. And trace the first Z with your crayon. Now that you have traced the first letter Z, please put your finger on the second Z. I will show you again how to write the Z. We do a straight line along the line, we do a slanting line to the left, and a straight line at the bottom, the same length as the top. Please trace the second Z with your finger. Now use your crayon and trace the second Z. Now that you have traced the second letter Z, let's go to the last Z. Put your finger on the last Z. I will show you again how to trace the Z. We go straight along, we slanting line to the left and straight along the bottom. Please trace it with your finger. Now take your crayon and trace over the last Z. Let's read it again. Z for zero. Z for zip. Now that you have practiced writing the sound Z, see if you can write the letter on your own. If you have finished writing the letter Z, you can color in the zebra. Z for zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. There are more pages in your sound book that you can use to practice writing the letters you have just learnt. Remember to write them the way I have shown you. End of classroom 1. Well done. Give yourself a hug. In classroom 2, you'll be learning more words that start with the sounds you have learnt, and you will learn to write the capital letters of these sounds. Now go to classroom 2.